Hey, if you want to properly install your memory express card into your Nintendo Switch 2, then you have to just grab your console and you have to just pull it upwards, and now there's the slot for the express cards. It's available here. We have to put it like so with this cutout on the right side. So put it right here, and now you can just use your fingernail to push it inside. Now you have to also make sure that you hear that click sound. Then close it, and right now, as you can see, we got this card inside, so we have to just go and update, select A, and now just wait for the update of the system. So updated one, and click OK. And now for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now just wait for a while for this updating process, and now the device will restart and we'll get access into our Express SD card on Nintendo Switch 2nd generation. So I'm gonna for sure wait for it and show you how it looks. There we go. Now we have to open it, and as you can see, when you go into album, into our gallery, now we can easily move anything to the microSD express card by selecting this option. And now, as you can see, it was actually updated. It was actually moved into our SD card, and here you can view everything that is actually on your SD card like this. So yeah, that will be all, and thanks for watching.